to the rest of the story. It is 7 o'clock at night. As far as our first day combining corn, I'd say it went about as well as you would expect it to. Maybe a little bit better. We didn't have any breakdowns, at least nothing that really slowed us down that I'm aware of. All I have is a little clip or two of combining corn because I haven't seen the combine all day. We got it calibrated, and as soon as there was enough corn where I could start hauling, I've been moving corn pretty well on the highway all day. Brian's been keeping Dad moving by keeping up with him with the grain cart. And the 7600 is handling this 500 bushel cart like a champ. The only real hurdle to get over is coming down my driveway. And that isn't too bad. I'm definitely not slipping as bad as I was without the weight. I would have thought only 300 pounds or so on the rear and another 400 pounds in the front would have made much of a difference. But 700 pounds or so of weight makes me feel better pulling this wagon. And my peace of mind is all that really matters. But I do like this bigger easy trail. I can't quite empty that red cart entirely, but that's a bigger cart than what this is. But every trip I've made has been a full load. So it's called being efficient. Yeah, say somebody did the math a while back about how many trips we're saving by using this easy trail over that M&W. And Ryan just mentioned it earlier that it's like 50, we're saving about 50 trips by using this over that M&W. That seems kind of high to me, but it's possible. I'm thinking maybe closer to 20 to 30. I can't tell you what yields are doing. I have no idea. When we started this morning, it was running anywhere from 160 to 280. I don't know what the average is. The average is what really counts. And I really couldn't tell you, I don't know how much later we're going to be running. But I'm going to start trying to catch more video here now that we're getting something done. The thing about coming up and down the highway like this, even now at the end of the day, traffic really hasn't changed much. And I really don't worry about traffic going down the road. They say about the worst thing you gotta do is watch the other people on the road, and watch this car behind me right now who's pretty determined to try to run me off the road. A little bitty car compared to the 7600, I'm bigger than him. But we've only, if you want to get all technical about it, we've only really been running for, I'd say 7 hours. To like really running, probably only 6.5. Because we started at 10 o'clock and we did, total I think we did like 5 weigh samples to get the monitor calibrated. We did the first one and we kind of nixed the first one and used the last the four after the first, because the first was so far off. But as far as the rolls in the combine, from what I'm seeing, they're doing everything that they were expected to do. They're managing the residue as it's going through the head. They are exploding the stock. Everything that is below the head that does not go through the rolls. It's exploding the top of that stock, exposing it to the elements, and will help that stock decompose. We are still planning on going through and hitting these stalks with the VT, and then all of this is going to be corn on corn. It's going to be VT'd, chisel plowed, and then we're going to go through and put in hydrous on it for next year. But we gotta sit down and figure out what's all gonna be what. It seems to me, for how much I'm hauling out, that small it's not a small bin, it's a 10,000 bushel bin, but it seems to me like it's yielding, I'm gonna say better than average, because the bin's about halfway full, which is about right. I mean, we can fill that small bin in under less than 2 days of decent running. Not even like really hard, really pushing running. But, man, it really seems to me like for what Dad has combined so far and how much is in the bin, I think it's yielding, well, at least better than average. The Rocket managed to sneak into the tractor with me. I think he needs a bath. Yeah, my dad's not even, I don't know how familiar you guys are with my place. My dad's not, we're in the 40 section of my place, and we're only about a third the way done with it. I don't know. I'm not going to get too excited yet saying that the yields are awesome, but I sure like to hope they are. Because like I've said before, every farmer likes to think that he raises an awesome crop. Hey Ryan, I'm sitting up here. Oh, if you guys can't tell, I got that Midland radio mounted right underneath my radio there. But
okay, I'm listening with you.
Are we calling it a night?
Sorry, I just gotta get going because I gotta run a dispute tonight.
I'm getting busy.